HVAC products. The various units. HVAC is the heating, ventilation and air conditioning system that is combined into one unit. These HVAC units prove to be helpful in maintaining a proper environment and temperature both in offices and houses. Among all the types of HVAC systems, the central HVAC system is considered as the best because of the convenience of functioning and also the reduction in the noise. The HVAC units have evolved with time, and in today's date they have developed to meet the modernization of houses and offices. However, the only problem associated with these systems is the cost. To provide a solution for managing the cost, the HVAC manufacturers have made some cost-effective solutions by considering energy consumption. Let's have a look at the different parts of HVAC system. Fans and blowers, which are important for the circulation of fresh air into the different constructed units of the HVAC system. The fans and blowers are either mounted on the outer walls or above the ceilings, and at times they might be used in part of the duct framework. The HVAC controllers and chillers are different types of HVAC units, which find much use in industrial areas. The HVAC chiller systems function with the help of water, oils, refrigeration and other fluids. On the other hand, the HVAC controllers take control of monitoring the internal environment of the building. When choosing an HVAC system for your house or office, it is important that you look into all the features that the unit provides. Make sure that the dealer from whom you are buying the product offers you on-site support during technical difficulties and also offers installation of the system. Buying the HVAC products in wholesale would get you the best deal. It is important that you look for the best quality at the best prices available. If you are looking for more information, then feel free to visit HVAC Wholesale Products and HVAC Product Vendors Article Source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/ajit_karana/8355.